Before solving practice set 3.1, let's remember this following concept. In a sequence is a different, Tn plus 1 minus Tn is a constant, then the sequence is called an arithmetic progression. In an arithmetic progression, the difference between two consecutive terms is constant, then it is called the common difference and it's denoted by D. Here, difference D can be positive, negative or 0. And in an arithmetic progression, if the first term is A and a common difference in D is D, then the term is the sequence are A plus D and A plus 2D and so on, like this. So these all are the basic concept which you have to remember to solve practice set 3.1. Now let's solve practice set 3.1 question number 1. Which of the following sequence are arithmetic progression? If they are AP, then find the common difference. Here, this question says that we have to find here whether the following sequence is an arithmetic progression or not. If it is an arithmetic progression, then it will be a common difference. It has common difference. So, 2, 4, 6, 8. In the sequence 2, 4, 6, 8 and goes on, means continue. So T1 is equal to 2 and T2 is equal to 4. Okay, so here second term and T3 is equal to 6 and T4 is equal to 8. So T1 2, T2 4, T3 6 and T4 is 8. Is that clear? Term 1 is 2, term 2 is 4, term 3 is 6 and term 4 is 8. Now here second term will be subtract by first term. So T2 minus T1, that is equal to 4 minus 2, which give us 2. Now T3 minus T2, which give us here 6 minus 4, that is again 2. Now T4 minus T3, that is equal to 8 minus 6, that is equal to 2. Now here you can see all these two are common difference. Okay, so here the common difference D is equal to 2, which is constant. The given sequence is an arithmetic progression. Yes, this given sequence is an arithmetic progression because their common difference is 2. Now let's solve sub question 2. 2, 5 upon 2, 3, 7 upon 2. Here term 1 is 2. In the sequence 2, 5 upon 2, 3, 7 upon 2 and so on. So here T1 is equal to 2, T2 is equal to 5 upon 2, okay, T3 is equal to 3 and T4 is equal to 7 upon 2. Okay, so here T2 minus T1, that means 5 upon 2 minus 2. So 2 to get cancelled. Okay, 5 upon 2 minus 2. So here as you can see here 5 minus 4, 2 2s are 4 upon 2. So 1 upon 2. 5 upon 5 minus 4 is 1 and upon 2 as it is. T3 minus T2 is equal to 3 minus 5 upon 2. So 2 3s are 6 minus 5, mixed fraction rule. 6 minus 5 is 1. 6 minus 5, 1 upon denominator 2 is as it is. T4 minus T3. So 7 upon 2 minus 3. Okay, so here 2 3s are 6. Okay, 7 minus 6 upon 2 as it is. So 1 upon 2. See, all the condition 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 is a common. So here the common difference D is equal to 1 upon 2, which is constant. So the given sequence is an arithmetic progression. Is that clear, my dear students? So simple and easy to understand. Now sub question 3 says that minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2. Here in the sequence minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2 and so on. So here T1 is equal to minus 10, T2 is equal to minus 6, T3 is equal to minus 2 and T4 is equal to 2. Now T2 minus T1, that means minus 6 minus inside bracket minus 10. Minus minus will become plus. So minus 6 minus minus plus 10. So 10 minus 6 which give us positive 4 because बड़े number की sign आएंगी. T3 minus T2 is equal to minus 2 minus and minus 6 inside the bracket. Minus minus again become plus. So minus 2 plus 6. 6 minus 2 4. Again greater numbers positive 4. So T4 minus T3 is equal to 2 minus minus plus. So 2 plus 2 4. Okay. So see here all where we are getting the same number, constant number, that is common difference d is equal to 4, which is constant. So yes, this sequence, the given sequence is an arithmetic progression. The given sequence is an AP. So simple and easy to understand. Yes, my dear students, let's solve sub question 4. 0.3, 0.33, 0.0333, okay, and so on. So here in the sequence 0.3, 0.33, 0.0333 and so on. So here T1 is equal to 0.3, T2 is equal to 0.33, T3 is equal to 0.0333 and so on. Okay, so now T2 minus T1, that is equal to 0.33 minus 0.3, which give us here 0.33 minus 0.30. So it will be 0.03. Now here T3 minus T2. So 0.033 minus 0.33. So it will give us again 0.333, 0.3300. After subtracting, we get here minus 0.2967. Hence, here the difference between two consecutive terms is not constant. Therefore, the given sequence is not an arithmetic progression. Is that clear? So simple and easy to understand. Now, let's solve sub question 5. 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12 and so on. So, here in the sequence 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12 and so on. So, T1 is equal to T1 is equal to 0, T2 is equal to minus 4, T3 is equal to minus 8 and T4 is equal to minus 12. So here T2 minus T1, that is equal to minus 4 minus 0, which give us minus 4, greater number sign. T3 minus T2, which give us minus 8 minus inside bracket minus 4. Minus minus become plus. So minus 8 plus 4. So 8 minus 4 is 4, minus 4, negative 4, because greater number sign, minus 4. T4 minus T3 is equal to minus 12 minus inside bracket minus 8. So minus 12 plus 8. So after subtracting, we get here minus 4. See here, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. So the common difference is equal to minus 4, which is constant. That means the given sequence is an arithmetic progression. Yes, my dear students, so simple and easy to understand. Now, if it is common, then that means the sequence is an arithmetic progression. Sub question 6 says that minus 1 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5. In the sequence minus 1 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5. Here T1 is equal to minus 1 upon 5, T2 is equal to minus 1 upon 5, T3 is equal to minus 1 upon 5. Here T2 minus T1, that is equal to minus 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5, which give us 0. Okay. After subtracting, we get here minus 1 upon 5 minus plus 1 upon 5. So negative, positive, negative. So 0. After subtracting, we get here 0. So T3 minus T2 minus 1 upon 5 minus inside bracket minus 1 upon 5. So minus 1 upon 5 minus plus 1 upon 5. So here again we get 0. So here common difference d is equal to 0, which is constant. Therefore, the given sequence is an arithmetic progression. So simple and easy to understand all these sums. Yes, my dear students. Now let's solve sub question 7. 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 and so on. In the sequence 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 and so on. So here T1 is equal to 3, T2 is equal to 3 plus root 2, T3 is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, T4 is equal to 3 plus 3 root 2. Now here T2 minus T1, that is equal to 3 plus root 2 minus 3. So minus plus cancel, we get here root 2. Is that clear? Negative positive get cancel, we get root 2. T3 minus T2, so T3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus sign. T2 is inside bracket 3 plus root 2. So here 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. So again positive 3 get cancel, positive negative 3 get cancel. So here we get 2 root 2 minus root 2. So here root 2 plus root 2 minus root 2. So we get here only one single root 2. Okay. Now T4 minus T3. So here 3 plus 3 root 2 is T4 minus 3 plus 2 root 2 is T3. So after subtracting we get here 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. So positive negative 3 get cancelled. Now here 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. Now 3 minus 2 is 1 and root 2 is root 2. So invisible 1 is outside. So root 2 is the common. So common difference D is equal to root 2, which is constant. Hence the given sequence is an arithmetic progression. Yes, my dear students, so simple and easy to understand all these sums. Okay, now let's solve sub question 8. 127, 132, 137. 127, 132, 137. In the sequence 127, 132, 137, here T1 is equal to 127, T2 is equal to 132 and T3 is equal to 137. So T2 minus T1 is equal to 132 minus 127, which gives us 5. T3 minus T2 is equal to 137 minus 132. Again we get here 5. So yes, the common difference is 5. So here the common difference D is equal to 5, which is constant. Therefore the given sequence is an arithmetic progression. Okay, my dear students, so simple and understand all these 8 sums. Yes. Now let's solve question number 2. Write an arithmetic progression whose first term is A and common difference is D. First term is A and common difference is D in each of the following. So here A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 5. So here A is equal to, given A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 5. So first we will use A, then A plus D and then A plus 2D. Okay. So first formula is T1 is equal to A. So A is equal to 10. Is that clear? T1 is equal to A is equal to 10. Then T2 is equal to T1 plus D. So here 10 plus 5, that is equal to 15. Then T3 is equal to T2 plus D, that is equal to 15 plus 5. So 15 plus 5 is 20. And T4 is equal to T3 plus D, that is equal to 20 plus 5, that is equal to 25. So here AP is 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. Is that clear? Now let's solve sub question 2. A is equal to minus 3, D is equal to 0. So here given A is equal to minus 3 and D is equal to 0. So what we will do here, T1 is equal to A is equal to minus 3, T2 is equal to T1 plus D. So T1 is how much? Minus 3 and D is 0. So minus 3 plus 0 give us minus 3. T3 is equal to T2 plus D. So T2 is how much? Minus 3. So minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3. Now T4 is equal to T3 plus D. So here we have again minus 3 plus 0. So minus 3. See here all this minus 3, minus 3. So arithmetic progression is minus 3, minus 3, minus 3 and so on. Is that clear? Minus 3, minus 3, minus 3 and so on. Now let's solve sub question 3. A is equal to minus 7, D is equal to 1 upon 2. Here given A is equal to minus 7, D is equal to 1 upon 2. Now here A is equal to T1. T1 is equal to A is equal to minus 7. Is that clear? How we will write here? T1 is term 1 is equal to A. Okay, term 1 is equal to A is equal to minus 7. Term 2 is equal to A plus D. So minus 7 plus 1 upon 2. And here we get 7 2s are 14 minus sign and plus 1. So minus plus minus, so minus 13 upon 2. So after dividing we get here minus 6.5. Term 3 is equal to A plus 2D. This is the formula which we are using. So minus 7 plus 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2. So here 2 get cancelled. Minus 7 plus 1 which give us minus 6. T4 is equal to A plus 3D is equal to minus 7 plus 3 multiplied by 1 upon 2. So minus 7 plus 3 1s are 3 upon 2. So 2 7s are 14 plus sign 3 upon 2. So plus minus minus. So minus 11 upon 2. After dividing we get here minus 5.5. Arithmetic progression is minus 7 comma minus 6.5 comma minus 6 comma minus 5.5 and so on. Is that clear, my dear students? So simple and easy to understand all these sums by applying simple and easy trick. Okay. Now sum number 4. Sub question 4. A is equal to minus 1.25 comma D is equal to 3. So A is equal to minus 1.25 comma D is equal to 3. So here T1 is equal to minus 1.25. T2 is equal to T1 plus D. So T1 is how much? Minus 1.25 plus D is how much? 3. After subtracting we get here plus minus is minus. So after subtracting we get here 1.75. T3 is equal to T2 plus D. So here 1.75 plus 3. 1.75 plus 3 which give us 4.75. T4 is equal to T3 plus D. So 4.75 plus 3. So we get 7.75. AP is minus 1.25 comma minus 1.75 comma 4.75 comma 7.75. Is that clear? Now let's solve sub question 5. A is equal to 6, D is equal to minus 3. Here A is equal to 6, D is equal to minus 3. Now T1 is equal to 6 and T2 is equal to T1 plus D. So T1 is how much? 6 plus bracket minus 3. So plus minus minus 6 minus 3 give us 3. So T2 is 3. T1 is 6. T3 is equal to T2 plus D. So T2 is how much? 3. 3 minus 3 give us 0. Okay. So here T4 is equal to T3 plus D. So T3 is 0 plus 0 minus 3 which give us minus 3. Okay. So here arithmetic progression is 6 comma 3 comma 0 comma minus 3 and so on. Is that clear, my dear students? So simple and easy to understand all these sums. Now let's solve sub question 6. A is equal to minus 19 and D is equal to minus 4. Solution: A is equal to minus 19 and D is equal to minus 4. This is given. So here T1 is equal to minus 19 and T2 is equal to T1 plus D. Again apply this formula. So minus 19 plus bracket inside bracket minus 4. So plus minus minus. Minus 19 minus 4. Minus minus become plus. But give here greater number sign. So minus 23. T3 is equal to T2 plus D. So T3 is minus 23 minus 4. Minus minus plus. So minus 27. T4 is equal to T3 plus D is equal to minus 27 minus 4. That is equal to minus minus plus. So minus 31. AP is minus 19, minus 23, minus 27 and minus 31 and so on. Yes, my dear students, easy na? Now let's solve question number 3. Find the first term and the common difference for each of the arithmetic progression. Here we have to find the first term and the common difference. So first question says that, sub question 1 says that 5 comma 1 comma minus 3 comma minus 7 and so on. So in the sequence 5 comma 1 comma minus 3 comma minus 7 and so on. Here T1 is equal to 5, T2 is equal to 1, T3 is equal to minus 3 and T4 is equal to minus 7. Now T2 minus T1 which give us 1 minus 5, that is equal to minus 4. Give here negative 4 because greater number sign. T3 minus T2, so minus 3 minus 1. Minus minus become plus, but give here minus negative number side, greater number. So minus 4. T4 minus T3, that is equal to minus 7 minus inside bracket 3. So minus 7 minus minus become plus 3. So minus plus minus, so minus 4. First term is equal to 5 and the common difference is equal to D is equal to minus 4. Is that clear, my dear students? Now sub question 2 says that 0.6 comma 0.9 comma 1.2 comma 1.5. In the sequence 0.6 comma 0.9 comma 1.2 comma 1.5. Here T1 is equal to 0.6, T2 is equal to 0.9, T3 is equal to 1.2, T4 is equal to 1.5. Now T2 minus T1 which give us 0.9 minus 0.6, so which give us 0.3. T3 is equal minus T2 that is equal to 1.2 minus 0.9 that is equal to 0.3. T4 minus T3 that is equal to 1.5 minus 1.2, so that is again 0.3. So first term is 0.6 and common difference is 0.3. Is that clear? See here, first term 0.6 is given and we have found 0.3. Now let's solve sub question 3. 127, 135, 143, 151. Here 127 in the given sequence 127, 135, 143, 151. So here T1 is equal to 127, T2 is equal to 135, T3 is equal to 143 and T4 is equal to 151. So T2 minus T1 that is equal to 135 minus 127 that is equal to 8. T3 minus T2 which give us 143 minus 135, again we get 8. Now T4 minus T3 that is equal to 151 minus 143, again we are getting here 8. So T1 is 127, first term is 127, A is equal to 127 and common difference D is equal to 8. So simple and easy to understand. 127 is given and 8 we have found. Now sub question 4. 1 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 5 upon 4 and 7 upon 4. So solution in the sequence 1 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 5 upon 4, 7 upon 4. Okay, so T1 is equal to 1 upon 4, T2 is equal to 3 upon 4, T3 is equal to 5 upon 4, T4 is equal to 7 upon 4. Now here T2 minus T1 that is equal to 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 upon 4 that is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 upon 4. So here we get 2 upon 4. So 2 ones are 2, 2s are 4. After dividing we get here 1 upon 2. T3 minus T2. So 5 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4. Again 5 minus 3 is 2 and denominator as it is 4. So 5 minus 3, 2 upon 4. 2 ones are 2, 2s are 4. 1 upon 2 we get here. T4 is minus T3 that is equal to 7 upon 4 minus 5 upon 4. 7 minus 5 upon 4. 7 minus 5 upon 4 that is equal to 2 upon 4. 2 ones are 2, 2s are. Okay, 1 upon 2. Now here first term A is equal to 1 upon 4 and common difference D is equal to 1 upon 2. 1 upon 4 is there in question and 1 upon 2 we found the common difference. So simple and easy to understand all these sums. Now my dear students, your task is to solve all these sums, question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 in your maths notebook. Is that clear? And if you find any difficulty to understand any sums, you can contact me. Enjoy learning.